guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I have a Temu haul for you guys. If you guys are interested in this, please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Grab your coffee and let's get into today's video. All right, guys. So I made a Temu order. I have purchased from the website before, but I just didn't show you guys because I feel like so many people are doing these videos and so many people really think it's a scam. So I didn't want to get into that controversy, I guess you could say. I've purchased all this with my own money. I am not sponsored. They do have like an affiliate link. I'll have that down below. I don't know if it actually works again because it's so many people speculating that it is, fake. But yeah, I just want to show you guys what I picked up because I'm actually really excited. Again, I've purchased stuff before. I just never showed you guys. And today I'm actually going to show you guys what I got. This is actually, I think, 3 separate orders that I made within the last 2 months. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you the products now. So I did show you guys in a vlog that I picked up some Crocs for myself, my husband, and my daughter. And I did get us some charms. So for my baby, I got her some bluey charms. They are so cute. They work perfectly on the Crocs, but they are adorable. If you guys can even see that. They're so cute. And they're very affordable. I'm definitely gonna get more on the website there because they're really cheap compared to Amazon. And then for myself, I got Harry Potter, and I needed to. It's my soul. So I got some Harry Potter ones. Look at Dolly. They are so cute. Some of them are a little bit more on the orangey side, but I really honestly don't mind. They're gonna get dirty and gross anyways. They're on your shoes. And then my husband is a huge Star Wars fan. He already grabbed his favorite ones, but I'll show you 2 of his right now. But he already grabbed his favorite ones, and we already put them on our shoes. So, yeah. I honestly feel like this is like good quality for something that's going to be on your shoe. That's going to get messed up anyways. But we got those. In the kind of same concept of my husband, I did get him these for our anniversary. Okay, so we both really love Up, and we cry every time. But yeah, so I got him these for our anniversary. They were so cute. He loves these kind of things to put on the walls downstairs in his basement. I am so happy that I picked those 2 up for him. All right. So you guys already know that I am a huge organizer. I love organizing bags, mostly, for my daughter. And you guys already know that I love getting things for snacks and stuff like that are convenient. I saw these on there. I've been wanting to get one of these from Amazon for a while. These were like $2. So I was like, let me just try it. And of course I got it the mint green color, because it matches my daughter's water bottle. And our coldest water bottle. But I love that it has like this plastic thing, and it does separate everything in here as well. So like I could put a sandwich, berries, I do a lot of reels on like her snacking stuff. So I really like that they had this guy for very affordable. And I believe it is microwave safe, but only for like a little bit of time. I'm not going to be using that for that anyways. But I also got this one. This one's probably going to be definitely the one that fits better into her bag. So I could put like her crackers and everything in there. Again, it does have a really nice separating thing in there. I feel like stuff is like not really exciting, but I do get stuff that are like, I know I'm going to use. So like if we go on a picnic or something, I could even pack my husband, and mine's in this one and my daughter's in this one. I just feel like that's, smart. I don't know. And with that same thing, you guys know I love this guy here. I know eventually she will be outgrowing this, and she'll actually be able to use the regular plates. She's pretty good now at not throwing her plate. But I still keep everything else in here. I might be transitioning to like a little baggie, and I got this. What? I might be transitioning into like a little baggie instead of keeping the plates. Not yet, but it's coming. So I actually picked up this little thing, which is so cute. They also have these on Amazon. I've purchased some on Amazon, but this is a little bit more compact and it matches the set. But a fork and a spoon for her. She is again using the metal spoons and metal stuff now. So now I feel a lot safer with her eating with it as well. And it comes with a little case, so I could just throw this inside her bag instead of the other thing. So I like so happy that I found that on there. And then the other day we actually went to eat, and we were eating in the car, and my husband, I don't remember if he forgot the spoon to ask for an extra spoon or he dropped it. I don't remember. One of the two. Happens all the time though. So I decided to get this, which is a portable spoon, fork, and I believe chopsticks. Yeah. So basically, you are just going to snap these in. You see, and the spoon, and it has chopsticks as well. But I feel like this is great for we're on the go and we just need to have it. We might keep it in a car, might keep it in our diaper bag. I'm not really sure yet. But I thought that this is like a genius idea. So I don't have to worry about, oh my gosh, we don't have anything, or if we drop it or something, I will have this on hand. And it comes with a cute little compact. So I could just throw both of these inside the bag for travel or anything like that. And I don't have to worry about, we don't have anything. So yeah. So now let's get into travel. Now I'm doing this because I'm not going anywhere anytime soon. But I saw these and I really, really liked most of them. One of them I was a little let down by, so I'm going to show you that first. And that is this guy. So this is supposed to be, for traveling. So it comes with 2 sprays and 2 pumps. I don't know, guys. Like, what am I going to put in here, like to spray? But anyways, you could take it out, which is kind of a lot of work. I could put like something in this one, but I don't need another spray. I don't know. I'm like, I don't hate it, but I don't love it. But I haven't truly used it to travel yet. So it is plastic, and this is like a silicone thing. And again, it comes with the 4 bottles. I'm gonna have to, once we actually do travel somewhere, see how it works. But yeah, I got this guy. It was pretty affordable as well. It was cheaper than Amazon, so I really wanted to get this, and I got green. I guess I'm going through a green mint phase. And it comes with a little thing of conditioner and sunscreen, body wash, face lotion, sauce. So you could put sauce in there too. But yeah, I got that. And the next thing I got, guys, I'm so excited. Is this guy. Oh my goodness. I've been seeing so many people talk about the really, really pricey one. This was like 14 bucks when I purchased it. And it is basically a travel like bag. So basically you open this part and you can go into the big compartment, and then it has this little one that you could put like eyeliner and stuff in. I love this. I was literally like already thinking like I could put one side my makeup, and then the other side I could put my husband, my daughters, and my toiletries. And then when you close it, you can actually even put probably like a palette in here. You guys, it feels so good. It doesn't smell like plastic. I was literally worried because I was like, that's kind of pricey for Temu to me personally. So I was like, I really hope I like this. And I am so happy that I got this guy because it feels so well made. You would never know that it was not like, that expensive one. And then it comes with a little thing right here. So yeah, love that. And then the last travel-ish thing that I got for myself. So I normally use this little pouch, dropping brushes everywhere. I usually use this little pouch. It is a Real Technique OG little case to put my travel brushes in. I'm dropping brushes everywhere, guys. So I picked up this one mainly because it does have plastic here. And I honestly feel like I can put in like my makeup and brushes in here, and maybe just take this all one, throw it in a bag. Like if we're going to, I don't know, like an overnighter, something that's simple. It does have little pockets here if you wanted to put some stuff in there. And this was really, really affordable also. Zips up, out of sight, out of mind. Oh, it does have like a little hole here, so that brush might fall out of there, but you might be able, yeah, you can kind of tuck this in. But yeah, I'm kind of excited to try this out and see how I like it. All right, so I usually don't like buying makeup from these kind of places, but I did. So I picked up one. This actually have on my face. I should have filmed it, but I didn't. It's this little trio. I love bronzer, blush, highlight palettes. For like traveling or easy on the go when I don't want to think about it. And I have it on right now. and in my inner corners. You guys, this applied like a dream, and it was really, really pigmented. So, I mean, I used to work for Sephora, guys. So if I'm saying that this little itty bitty thing that's really affordable actually applied really, really nicely, I'm surprised. But I am very happy I picked this up. Then I got a blush, and these are the ones I got. So I got a blush and a bronzer. So this is the blush and this is the bronzer. Don't they kind of remind you of my baby over here from The Balm? I absolutely love this bronzer. This is the Bahama Mama bronzer. I've used the life out of this. I actually need to buy a backup already. But yeah, so let me show you the bronzer. I got this one, and I'm kind of debating if I want to get a different shade. Let me show you the difference between the two, because they do have lighter and darker ones. Oh wait, no, this is more olivey undertone neutral. This is a teeny tiny bit cooler. Kind of, let's swatch it. I burned myself again, so probably a bad time to swatch. But let's see. Yeah, it's a lot more cool toned, unfortunately. Let me swatch my The Balm one so you guys can kind of see. Yeah, that's a big difference. But nonetheless, I'm excited to even try it on my face since it looks different on the face than it does in the packaging. But I definitely want to try to get another one of these just to kind of see if I could find one that's really close to my baby. And then I picked up the blush, which is such a up my alley shade. I love kind of corally peaches, nudes kind of colors. See, it might look a little weird on my hands, but we will see. Yeah, I'm a little tan right now, but that color right there, it's still super, super pretty. I'm just tan right now, so it looks a little crazy on me. Let me get a white. Okay. So yeah, we'll see. And I might be getting some more of these just to kind of see, because they really do feel very similar to The Balm. All right, so that's that. The next things I got for technically my daughter. And I say technically because they're for my daughter. Anyways, I got this guy. I wish I could show you guys. Maybe once we put it up, I'll show a clip, or I will put it on my reels. But this is basically to go on the wall. I originally wanted a full wall for my daughter's room of like painted chalk. But that hasn't happened, and my husband said not yet until she gets bigger. So I bought this guy to put across the wall so that she could paint. Not paint, chalk, right? My husband's like, what if she starts writing on the walls? I'm like, well, teaching moment. But I really, really wanted to try this. So I got this. I'll let you guys know how that goes. And then if you know me for a really long time or in person, I find it very important for her to learn sign language. I mean, she learns things from Miss Rachel. She is honestly a sponge right now, so I really wanted to incorporate more. So I got her this to put on her wall so that we can teach her a little bit more. My husband's gonna buy a frame for it. I really think it's important for her to learn sign language. Just personally, I've worked at Sephora, and we used to have a couple of people who go, and it broke my heart that I couldn't communicate with them, and that's not their fault. Personal, that's just how I feel about it. So yeah, I just really want her to at least be able to know the basics to communicate with more people than just English speaking and Spanish speaking, because she is bilingual as of right now. That little girl, I swear, says more things in Spanish than English. Anyways, so the next thing I got for her, did not think I was gonna like this as much as I did, guys. It's so freaking cute. So I got her this. It's supposed to be a fanny pack, but it doesn't fit her that way. She's still too little. So she wears it kind of like a crossbody, and it's so adorable, guys. It's so cute. I thought it was going to be like a cloth material, but it's not. It's easily wipeable. And then the little straps are so cute. It feels so much much high quality. So high quality. So how it feels it feels like good quality. It feels like good quality. Yeah. And then, it has a lot of space in there. And actually, we got her stickers also on Temu, and they are bluey, and they're in there. She put them in there. I took this second just film this video really quickly. But yeah, it's so cute, guys. Like, so cute. I did not think I was going to like this as much as I do. But it's adorable. Anyways. All right, so the last thing I picked up is this for my daughter. You guys are probably like, why did you get that for a 2-year-old? Basically, she's almost 2. Honestly, she sits here and does her makeup with me. These are the brushes she uses. She doesn't put the makeup on her face. She puts it on her, and she's all shiny because she thinks Vaseline is moisturizer, and she calls it lotion. So she's like lotion, lotion, and she was, moisturizing her face. She gonna have the best skin in the world. So yeah, she does makeup on her. So I wanted to get her this. So I do have makeup that I've given her, basically to destroy. And I decided to get this because it looked so good. So you guys, I'm so surprised because look at this. Are you freaking kidding me? Like, this looks like straight up real makeup. Comes with a mascara. Obviously, it's empty, but like, what? Are you kidding me? Like, why didn't I have this when I was a kid? And this, like, this looks like real makeup. You guys are probably not interested in this at all. But yeah, it comes with like the nail polish. Obviously, nothing's in there, but it's like birch hand. I was so like amazed because it comes with like, obviously, it's fake lipstick, and then it comes with like the little lip gloss. What? Wish I had this when I was a kid. And it comes with like another eyeshadow. I think it's supposed to be like blush. But you guys, like, are you kidding me? Like, that straight up looks like real makeup. I was like so impressed. I was like, you bought her real makeup? I was like, no. And then like it comes with little brushes. I might take this one out actually. But yeah, so literally she has her own little makeup bag so that she can, be a little diva. I love it. I mean, I did not think my daughter was going to be this girly when it comes to things like that, but she sees me do it, so she wants to do it as well, which I think is the cutest thing in the world. Anyways, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you guys have picked up anything from Temu or recommend anything for me to try. I will see you guys in the next video. Again, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.